Hey guys, welcome back to the Investing Show. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to create monthly income with options. And in order to do that, I want you to get comfortable with selling your first few options. So I will show you the behind the scenes. I will sell one option live with you in this video, and I will share the complete system, including templates and spreadsheets of a monthly options income system for busy professionals, for people who run a company, have kids, and want to generate 5 to 7 income streams all the time. This is a very easy one. With a few clicks, you can generate quite something on the side. We made 12,000 on the side in May with very few 3 rules and 3 clicks. And I'm gonna do this 3 rules, 3 clicks in front of you right now so that you lose completely the fear of doing this. I'm doing this in my broker, which is Interactive Brokers, but it works in every broker, whatever you use. So let's get started. Step 1 is you need to know how much money you should allocate when. So you go to the Sprint Club. If you're not in the Sprint Club, join for free. It's a 7 days all-you-can-eat buffet. So you go to strategysprints.com, you join the Sprint Club, and you get access to the money management dashboard. This is where we insert the current volatility index. It's 22. Because if you don't do this, now you are living at risk. We don't want risk. Okay, this is a system that's low risk and high repeatability for professionals that have children, that have businesses to run. So it should be very, very low risk and high repeatability and easy to do. So we need the first number, account 145,000. So you go to your broker, whatever your account value is, you insert your value here. Then the next number that we need, excess liquidity. Excess liquidity 105. Whatever your number is, right? You put it in here. There is no good number or bad number. There is just number, and we will increase that number every week. Now, what's the next number that we need? Maintenance margin. Maintenance margin 40,300. And then pending options margin. This is something my broker doesn't give me. So I've created this spreadsheet that you can use. The pending option margins is the cash required. Cash required is 139,000 right now. 139,000. So we should increase cash by 63%. And you will know your exact amount, and it's even telling you how much percent of your cash you should be investing based on market conditions, based on this risk management system that I've built for myself and I'm sharing with you. And so if it says this, you shouldn't invest. And it says increase, if you shouldn't invest, right? But it says decrease your cash by 4%, then you know, okay, we should invest 4% of our cash. But now, just for demonstrations, I'm gonna still do a trade live here, even if I shouldn't according to my risk management, but we will do a small one. Now, step 1, you know how much to invest. Let's say it's telling you 4%, you know, okay, you want to invest 4% of your cash. Okay. Second one, you go to your broker. In my case, it is Interactive Brokers. And we hit the watch list. On the watch list, I have 63 symbols in there. We sort them by volume. We want the highest volume because of liquidity. It's easy to get in and out, and the spread is the tightest. So highest volume, we have Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HIMS, Mara, NextEra Energy. Pick the one you feel most comfortable with. They are all great in terms of premium selling. We're going to sell a put on them. So we select the first one. Next thing is we want the options chain. And the options chain, now here come our 3 rules. We always want to sell 45 days out. So you don't have to think about duration here. It's either 29 or 57. Let's pick 57, then you have even more time to be right. So duration 45, that's a given in our system. You don't have to think about it. We want this to be easy, repeatable, mechanic. So 45 days. And the next thing is we want a delta of around 0.2, which is an 80% probability of profits. This one is perfect. So we would select now a strike price at 115. Current price of Nvidia is 132. We will select 115 because we don't want to own Nvidia. We're not the gambler, we are the casino. We sell a contract. You see, this would be buying. We never buy an option in this system. We only sell options. We pick the delta 0.2, which is an 80% probability of winning, and we hit it. Now, the probability of profit here, since market is closed, this is not showing everything, but it would show here probability of profit 80%, and market opens in 16 minutes, so it's not showing it yet. But this is what you would do. You hit order, so we are selling the July 18 put on Nvidia. We would hit order and we would buy this for $3.40 each. Now we bought it and we use this additional manual tracker, and this is how we would use it. Download the tracker so that we both use the same tracker over the next days, and I can coach you and answer your questions. We would enter here Nvidia, the date when we bought it, so that's today. And expiration was July something, right? Now it's a put or a call. It's a put that we sold. Here we would enter the initial stock price. And here we will enter we enter only the initial stock price, which is 131.8. And the rest is done automatically. Then the next thing we have to enter is strike price and premium. Strike was 115, premium was 320, and it's one contract. Later on, when we get better, we will do more contracts. Now we are utilizing 11,000 to make 320. The costs are around $0.50. So we have now probability of profit was 80%. And we're making $319 with a low risk, 20% risk of losing. And if this expires at 0 days, now it's open. If this expires at 0 days, we just made $319. That's it. I want you to get started using this. And here, this will automatically track your results. Now, where do you get this? You get it in the Sprint Club. In the Sprint Club, you go to Wealth and Income Template. And then you hit this template and you use the exact spreadsheet. And you can tag me here anytime. Hey, Simon, I'm not sure if I should hit sell or buy. So whatever the question is that you have, just do it. How do you access the Sprint Club? You can access it 7 days for free. Just go to strategysprints.com and hit 7 days free trial. And you have a 7 days all-you-can-eat buffet. It's not just what you just saw, the wealth building stuff. We have much more than that. How do I exit this? We have much more than that. You will find 13 different processes and templates on 13 possible income streams, because the reason we gather in the Sprint Club is we want to add 5 to 7 income streams to our life. Right now we're 219 sprinters, and the income streams that we're looking for are from your services, from your products, to add subscriptions, licensing, different cash flowing systems. And one of them is the options income. So hope this video was helpful. I want you to get going. Let's use the same spreadsheet over the next days. If you commit to generating cash flow with options, I'm happy to help you, to mentor you in the Sprint Club. Use the same spreadsheet that I'm using so that we can quickly send screenshots to each other and I can help you and mentor you along the way. Congrats on having added one more income stream to your life. Keep rolling.